Hello, this is Christopher Fries here with Fries Forge, and Christmas has come a little early. I just got my hammer in the mail from Joe and Alec. Thank you very much. They made this together for me, and so I'll do an unboxing video for them. For me, for all of you. This is gonna be great, I hope. Let's see. I haven't gotten to see the actual hammer completed yet. What I have gotten to see is a video of them making it. In fact, maybe I'll show a little bit of that video here now. This is them making that video. This is Alec and Joey making this hammer in a video that they filmed when just recently when Joey went over there and they were working together.
This has been Forging a Hammer with Technicus Joe. I hope you've enjoyed it. I had a great deal of fun striking, swinging one of my sledges. I had so much fun. I rarely get on this side of the angle, so I certainly enjoyed it. That's a freaking beautiful hammer. Go check out his channel, Technicus Joe, Joey Steve. He makes all sorts of awesome YouTube tutorials. He's also filmed a forge welding course for my online school over at beginblacksmithing.com. And beginblacksmithing.com you can also learn how to make hammers just like this, right? Thanks, Joe. Great having you here. I'll see you guys all next time. See you guys later.
So this is the very first hammer ever made by those two smiths together, working together. It's a very special one, and I'm very lucky that that it's mine. So, yay me. Tape in the back. All right, a little bit of bubble wrap. Thank you. Look at that. Smell the oil on it. It's nice. That is awesome. Wow. Thank you very much, guys. Looks like we've got awesome hammer here. Ah, this is great. It's going to work beautifully. What would be an unboxing video without a little bit of seeing how this hammer works, huh? So let's do just that. Oh, hey, maybe you didn't notice. Probably can't see from that far away, but come on, focus. There's both of their stamps on it and the year it was made. 2016. Brand spanking new rounding hammer. We got a rounding die and the other side for planishing. That's wonderful. 3.5 pounds, about there. Perfect for myself. Smaller folk may want to go with a little bit smaller hammer, but hey, I'm 6'4", I ain't no shrimp. 3.5 pounds, that's no problem. No problem at all. It's well balanced too. Feels nice. Very nice. Let's try it out. Does it sit? Oh, it sits like that perfectly. Right on. I love leaving after I've set my, I love leaving my hammers pointing up like that. That's how I pick them up every time. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Let's make something. What should we make? I don't know. A little bit of stock, a hook. I don't think I've made any videos making a hook yet. Let's make a hook. Let's have a little fun. Let's actually make something. Let's just play it. Requires no effort at all. All I have to do is lift it. I'm just letting it drop. There's no effort in this whatsoever. Planish it now. My planishing die that I have for the first time. Look how well that worked. Right on. I know it's a little cold, but it's just a little tip. Okay, not a little cold. It's fucking black. But hey. I wasn't standing here gawking at the thing. That's cool. Nice long handle on it too. Look how long the handle is. The handle is the face of my anvil. So back here, more power, up closer, more detailed work. That's gonna, besides for my cross beams, I could probably just throw my other hammers away. Maybe not quite, but you know what I mean. This is great. Well, there's a taper. Let's, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flatten out the other side here. I'll flatten this out here. Maybe I'll put a twist in it. That's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna twist this, and I won't show that because, whatever. I'll show it. It'll take me a minute. I'm gonna twist this and then flatten that so it has a spot or a screw to go in or whatever, and then I'll scroll. So we get to see a taper, a twist, and a scroll, all with the new hammer that Alec and Joey made for me. Again, there's their ham. There's the head right there. There's the face. That's after a little bit. That's what you've seen. Look at that. This sucker ain't going anywhere. That's awesome. Okay, back at the fire. Oh, hey, look at that. Joe, you snuck one in on the other side. That's cool. Right on. I got Joe's on both sides, and Alex Steele's on the other side here, along with Joe's. Joe's got it twice. Right on, man. That's great. Let's go up nice and high. Oh, it's twisted. And bent. Well, not perfect, but not as good as I'm gonna do. Yeah. We need a little bit more heat for that, I'd say. They did a really great job on this. Beautiful, beautiful hammer. I'm surviving off of holes and other cough medicines right now, so bear with me. Thank you. Oh, I just ruined my scroll. Oh, that was a poor decision. Well, okay. Hey, I'm learning, eh? I hope everybody watched that and went, no, don't do that! And then, of course, I couldn't hear you because this is a video. Oh. There goes my scroll. All right, hey, I made a little scroll. Oh man. Well, ain't gonna stop me. I'll work with what I got. It's still gonna be a hook. And I think this is gonna hold up my coat for work. I'm gonna see what I can do to maybe fix this a little bit. Whoops. Okay, little scroll. What am I gonna do with you? It is a very, very tiny scroll. If I kept at it, I'll give it one more heat, and I'll try and do that again. We'll see. This is a learning experience with my brand new hammer. Okay. Round 3? Yeah. Kind of afraid to do anything more to it. Definitely messed my scroll up pretty good. It's a learning experience. Every time we light the forge, it's a learning experience. And hopefully, you guys can learn from my mistakes. That's why I'm making these. I can learn from what other people tell me, and you can learn from what other people tell me as you watch me make the mistakes. So, just my guess. Dipped that in water before I tried to bend it around, and you know, maybe that would have worked better. Let me know in the comments exactly what I should have done better to save that scroll from ruining it. Excuse me, I'm also sick. Yay. The joys of children, little germ factories. I love them though. All right. Now, we're going to see just how bad I am. Try to do this without screwing everything all up. So far, so good. Tongs for the job, though. These guys give me a much better grip. All right, I feel a lot better now. Whoop. sorts of different radiuses on it, right? So there's me trying to do that right there with that part of the rounding die. But this thing's too cold. I'm gonna heat it back up. Oh, that's way better. Maybe 2 more heats. That'll be good. Works way better. Stand on this side, trying to work like this, than being over here trying to work like that. Son Joey told me, farrier stance, blacksmith stance. I can totally see. Makes a huge difference. Way more accuracy, way more control. That was way easier to do. I may not make it look easy, because it's not, but it's less difficult. Let's put it at that. Sits nice and flat against the wall now. I want to keep that round there. Just taking that corner off. Try something else I've never tried before. Again, I am eager for your comments, telling me just what it is that I did wrong. But here we go. Jeez. Oh, that's hot. A little bit of smoke there. All right. I can see the other side. Got a little dark mark here. I'm just fumbling about, don't mind me. This might be too cold to do this now. I don't know. Yeah. Damn. Wow. Alright. Started getting it. But it's a little bit off. Not bad. Okay, now get off. Oh, get back in there. Yeah, that's why I love welding gloves. You just saw that. All right. Woohoo! And look right there. There's the little plug. My first ever plug. After I mess up the hole. Whatever. It'll sit nice on the wall. There we go. There's my hook. Okay, today is a video full of firsts. So I'm going to try for the first time with linseed oil. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's what they used on my hammer as well. Kind of smells like it. It could be a different oil that they used, I'm not sure, but I'm going to be using linseed oil, and I'm going to try and put a black finish on that that hook that I just made. I just cleaned it up on the wire wheel, so we're gonna. It's heating right this second. I got the forge down to a low temperature. Let's see what we can do. This is another first. Wish me luck. I don't know, that seems to me a little bit too warm. But I don't know. Help me out, guys. I'll start the colder spots. It's just killing my brush. Oh, stinks. It's made of hair. Clearly. Whew. Okay, well, I'll let this cool a little bit. Should we try that again? Let's cool down a little bit. Seen me burning the horsehair as much this time. It's probably a good thing. Oh, he says as he burns all the horsehair. Oh, there's the black. Okay, so it was way too hot. Now the oil's what's burning. I hope. I hope. You know the best part about not having a clue what you're doing? You don't mind getting things wrong. It's a learning experience. Everything Everything I do wrong teaches me something. Smoky, stinky. Okay, well, there's that. Hey, maybe my next one will turn out better. Alright, sorry, a little bit of that was off camera. I apologize. Try to keep it on. First times all around. So there's my first hook with my first little scroll. I guess not my first little scroll. I've done other tiny little scrolls before, like that one. So there's my first hook, with my first blackening with linseed oil. Dropped it. All done well sick. Don't grab, don't do that. All done well sick with my brand new hammer, which is the reason for making this video, not because of the hook, because of the hammer. I tell you, the linseed oil smells a hell of a lot better than the horsehair. You know, I just came to a realization, I can smell stuff. That sucks, on account of what I'm smelling. Coolio. Get this guy out of here. This didn't frickin' work at all. Maybe easier just to hold it. Well, there we go. There is a video full of firsts. My first rounding hammer made by Technicus Joe and Alec Steele in their first ever collaboration, and the first ever rounding hammer that they have ever made together. So there's a bunch of firsts for that. First time I ever used it, you just watched, to make my first hook. Screwed up pretty royally, my first scroll. So I'm looking forward to the comments on how I could have done that better. First ever hot punch, which actually turned out all right, considering it was my first one ever. I kind of smushed the hole a little bit when I was trying to flatten everything down. Whatever. A small screw is going to be what puts this on the wall. And something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now is my first ever blackening of metal. And I gotta say, that turned out really well. That's probably the thing that I'm most proud of for this is I actually got to make something black. My arm rings that I've made are all silvery, which, you know, that's cool and all. But problem with that is, you know, eventually it's gonna rust unless you wear it all the time, kind of thing. And then the rust doesn't have a chance to build up. The oxidization still occurs, but it doesn't build. It doesn't turn brown, rusty. Anyway, this should hopefully not rust. So that's awesome. Look at my poor brush. It's dead. So I learned, don't do it when it's red. nor when it's yellow. Excuse me, I'm still sick. Don't do it when it's red, don't do it when it's yellow. Wait until it has cooled down completely and it's black. Black is when you want to do it at, and that worked out really well. Horsehair smells horrible. Linseed oil smells pretty good. I like it. Yeah. The real reason I made this video was for this hammer though. Look at this baby. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. I couldn't be happier with it, really. So even in the hands of a novice like myself, the expert hammer that Joe and Alec have made allows me to to make stuff like this. I'm still so mad about that little scroll. That little scroll that I made, it was doing so well. It was doing so good. Oh well. I learned from it. Hopefully everybody else does too. I think dipping it in water would have been the trick. But let me know in the comments of the video. Also, if you want to get yourselves a hammer like this, you can't have this one. This is one of a kind. This is a first in all kinds of ways. So very unique in that. But get a hold of Technicus Joe, Alec Steele, I believe also, though I'm not in communication with Alec, although Alec, if you'd like to be in communication with me, that would be wonderful. Always love talking to other blacksmiths, and you know a hell of a lot more than I do, so your knowledge and your wisdom would be much appreciated, as it is with you, Joe. Thank you very much. He's the one who inspired me to start actually making these videos, and I'm going to be using this hammer that Joe and Alec made me in Technicus Joe's video challenge. I was working on some other stuff here. A bunch of these guys. I was going to make a terror helm. That's what I was trying to make, the Viking rune. But it's beyond my skill level. What I was trying to do is I was trying to bite off way bigger than what I could, and I don't have the tools or the experience to know how to make it, so I'll make something else. Something simpler. Something that I haven't made before, but something simpler. I'm just a beginner. I'm a novice, eh? We all start somewhere. But this will help me step my game up, kind of thing. That's what the kids all say, right? Step up your game. Step up my forging game. Thank you all very much for watching. Like I said, you can pick up those. You can get a hammer like this one, not this one, but like this one. Get a hold of Technicus Joe or Alec Steele, and they can talk to you about making you one. It works really well. It works great. I don't have to go and grab other hammers. I've got a rounding die and I've got a planishing die right here. They're baby skin smooth, by the way. Even after the little bit of banging that I did there, they're just beautifully smooth. They're awesome, actually. I wish I had the energy to keep working today. I'm so sick. I gotta go home. I'm gonna hang up my hook, I'm gonna put my work vest on it, and then I'm gonna go camping. Speaking of which, one more thing. Sorry for the long bit at the end here. Not these everybody that's wanted one of these, that's great. Thank you very much. You're doing great. You're wonderful. My rope darts. The rope dart video has officially ended as of the 15th. So thank you everybody who has excuse me, put your name in, your suggestion in. How I'm going to be choosing them, I told you I was just going to pick 5, whichever 5 I like the best. So I figured I'm going to go with 2 people who are blacksmiths who want to see, who want a little bit of my work. That's great. 2 people who are martial artists who are going to use them for training. And then 1 person, I haven't decided who it's going to be yet. I haven't decided who anybody's going to be yet. I'm going to be making that announcement when I come back from camping. But the 5th one's going to be a wild card. I asked for be honest, so I don't know, whoever I feel is going to be, it was the most honest in their replies and their answers, be them a smith or a martial artist or none. Whoever is the most honest in their reply, that is who's going to win the 5th and the last one. Thank you all very much for watching. You can subscribe down here. Like the video if you like the video. Hopefully you learned something from my numerous blunders today. And hopefully if you didn't learn something, it means you already knew, and hopefully you'll know what I've done wrong. Please leave a comment on the video itself on YouTube so everybody can gain from your wisdom. And I'm losing my voice here, so thank you all very much. Have a good day. May the force serve you well.